Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to teach you all about kitchen vocabulary part 2. Whether you love cooking or just want to learn some new words, I've got you covered. I'm Ms. Sheerin and I'll be your teacher for today. So grab a seat and let's dive into the world of kitchen terminology. Let's go! Introduction. In this video, we will learn more important words you need for cooking and baking, like tools and cooking methods. Pantry, a storage area for food, dishes, and other kitchen supplies. Knife, a sharp blade used for cutting or preparing food. Fork, a utensil with pointed prongs, used for eating or serving food. Teaspoon, a utensil with a handle and shallow bowl, used for stirring or putting sugar into tea or coffee. Tablespoon, a utensil with a handle and shallow bowl, used for serving food and in cooking. Plate, a flat round dish used for serving or eating food. Bowl, a round container with a wide mouth, used for serving or eating food. Cup, a small container with a handle, used for drinking beverages. Mug, a large cup, typically used for hot beverages. Pot, a deep cooking container with a lid, used for boiling or simmering food. Frying pan, a shallow cooking container with a handle used for frying food. Saucepan, a deep cooking pan with one long handle and a lid used for cooking. Cutting board, a flat board used for cutting or chopping food. Thank you so much for watching and learning with me today. I hope you enjoyed expanding your kitchen vocabulary and that you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or want to see more content like this, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, happy cooking and take care. Bye.